1. Nourish from the inside. Healthy hair starts from within. Eat protein-rich foods, eggs, fish, lentils, beans, yogurt. Add vitamins and minerals. Biotin vitamin B7 for hair strength. Iron and zinc prevent hair thinning. Vitamin D and E support hair growth. Drink plenty of water, at least 8 glasses daily. 2. Natural oils for growth. Massage your scalp 2 to 3 times a week using coconut oil. Deeply nourishes. Castor oil thickens hair. Onion oil boosts growth. Rosemary oil improves circulation. Massage for 5-10 minutes. This stimulates hair follicles. 3. Onion juice remedy. Use 1 to 2 times a week. 1. Blend 1 large onion. 2. Strain the juice. 3. Apply to your scalp. 4. Leave for 30 minutes. 5. Wash with mild shampoo. Helps regrow and strengthen hair roots. 4. Gentle hair care routine. Avoid daily shampooing. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Use sulfate-free shampoo. Always condition after shampooing. Don't brush wet hair, it breaks easily. 5. Protect your hair. Limit heat. Styling straighteners, dryers. Protect from sun with a scarf or cap. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to reduce breakage. 6. Be consistent. Their growth is slow, usually inch 1-1.5 cm per month. Keep a routine for at least 2-3 months to see visible results.